Imagine bringing your wildest animated dreams to life with just a few words a circumflex euros. That's the power of OpenAI's Sora. And today, we're diving into how you can harness it. First, let's understand the core of Sora. Its prompt. This isn't just about telling it what you want. It's about painting a vivid picture with words. Think about your subject, its actions, the environment, and even the mood. For example, instead of saying a cat jumping, try a fluffy cat leaps gracefully from a bookshelf onto a velvet armchair, bathed in warm afternoon sunlight. The more detail, the more nuanced the result. Once you have your scene's prompt, consider sequencing. Sora allows you to create longer narratives by linking distinct moments. Think of it like building a storyboard, but with AI. You can prompt a specific action to begin a clip, and then instruct what should happen next, guiding the AI through your intended story arc. This is crucial for developing complex sequences. Now, let's talk characters. Integrating specific characters, whether described directly or implied through actions and style, is key. You can describe facial features, clothing, and even their emotional state. Remember to be consistent in your descriptions across different prompts. If you want your characters to maintain their appearance throughout multiple scenes, this might involve reiterating key characteristics. Experimentation is your best friend. Play with different wording. Try adding camera angles like wide shot or close-up, and explore different artistic styles. The more you practice, the better you'll become at translating your vision into Sora's language, allowing you to craft truly unique and dynamic animated stories.